Hit! No idea where you are. Oh, okay.
About 11 o'clock over there. So get behind this little brush, keep an eye that way. We have 3 on our...
Wait, is that our team right there?
No.
It's not?
No, if it's the guy in the red, don't shoot him.
Okay.
Or just plink him once and we'll join up. Because we started close to each other. I told him I wouldn't engage. Or if you know his name, just...
Chris! Chris! Come here.
Yeah, you're going to get lit up. Just come. Just tag off on Austin here and let's...
I didn't want to shoot you.
Okay. I want you, Chris, right? I want you to keep an eye this way. Austin, I want you to keep more of like a 12 o'clock, like 10, 12, and I'm going to be 2 as we move along. Alright, and as we move along, let's try to keep about 10 foot apart. So if one of us gets off.
I can't see shit. Well, we lost Chris. I don't know where he went. Is there an opening farther up?
I don't know. You stay along here. I'll sit on the inside. We'll move down here.
Alright. We got at least 2 shots over this way. I don't know where. I'm not shooting at you. He never tagged up though. Come back this way. Now I'm just gonna keep shooting you till you're on my team. Will you sit there and... Okay. Will you sit there and watch him, because I saw Cody. I don't know where he went though. Hard contact over there. I think he just died though.
Is that him?
Yeah, he's on our team.
Hey, bump up.
Hey, go to the fence. Never mind, I'll do it.
Bunker. Alright, back here. How many guys you got?
A lot!
Alright, yeah, nice. Alright, moving this way. Let's go. Hey.
Spread out a little bit more.
There's some people far left. Contact right by cornfield. Moving up on you, moving up. He's hit, far right hit. Hey, left far,
That was a grenade.
Tag up. Alright, have a push up right. Alright, I got you coming from back.
Moving right.
Moving left.
Ty, I'm following you.
You on me?
Yep. Yeah.
Right there, three. Over here. Contact her low.
No, that was Justin. That's friendly. Jake's straight ahead, 12 o'clock.
Hey,
secondary.
Right there. You're on our team.
Second barrier on the right. Moving up. On you.
Contact far right. Right here. He's laying down right there. You got him. Hit. Contact left.
Oh, the rest of us on the poison ivy.
Just wait. Hey, you hit. Anyone else on their own?
I think that's it. Yeah.
Is my thing blinking? Put on.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. A few good kills on there.
Over here. I
Uh,
think that's game.
Is that everyone?
I think so.
pretty sure.
Everyone!
Is anybody by themselves?
Rolled. Oh, that's some good footage there.
Yeah.
That's some good footage.
We all got that.
I'm glad you